In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can claim gifts here in Fortnite. Before we do even get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you got to make sure that you can even receive gifts here in Fortnite. To do this, go up to the top right, select your profile, and then go ahead and find the settings gear. And essentially just scroll to the last tab, which is the tab that has a little picture here. In this section, look on this left-hand sidebar and select social privacy. And in this section, make sure that you have can receive gifts turned on. If you don't have the ability to do this, you're going to have to make sure that you have 2FA enabled or gifts will not work. So make sure that you also have 2FA enabled. And then from here, make sure that the person that's trying to send you the gift has been friends with you for at least 48 hours before they try to send you that gift. Otherwise, once again, the gift will not even be sent in the first place. But essentially, as soon as someone sends you a gift, it's going to show up as soon as you log in. So if someone already sent you a gift, you're already logged in and you haven't seen it, simply close out of Fortnite, reopen up Fortnite, and as soon as you open it up, you're going to see that and you can open it and accept it to add it to your account. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.